Aesir are spread dangerously thin these days. Thor is almost always fighting in Jotunheim. Tyr hardly...
Wake him.
Wondered when you would pay me a visit. No hammer?
I would not have it in so quickly, Loki.
Thor! Release him. Wait for me outside.
Good boy. Do as your master bids you.
Thor! Leave us!
He would have killed me.
I've waited a long time for this chance. I will not have it taken from me by Thor's zealous hand.
So this is a social call.
Within the week, you will be tried for treason by Council of the Aesir.
Will all my jurors be as objective as you two?
Justice will be served. You have my oath on that.
Of that, my friend, I have many doubts. Ah!
I could have finished it.
He is Aesir Thor, and he has taken the life of another god. An unprecedented crime. But we must have justice.
And Hode, what of his trial?
Hode has condemned himself. His escape is his confession, and we must carry out his sentence.
Ah, Baldur. Let us see how badly you mistreat your equipment.
It is a fine weapon, but it is hard to control, very aggressive.
'Tis the nature of beasts, Baldur. They hunger. They desire to eat, to kill. Fenrir is no different. Here, give it to me. Old wolf! Haven't you tasted your fill of me? It was the monster Fenrir that took my hand.
Indeed. But how?
As all monsters do, with their teeth. A sentient weapon is a bound spirit, a monster's soul trapped in nanoforged metal. This one will always struggle to be free.
It hates you.
Aye. It was I who imprisoned it in this blade, but I am not its master. I doubt anyone ever will be save Loki, its creator.
Loki?
Many a time has he left Midgard and ventured among the giants. Who knows what twisted alliances he has forged. He returned with a cybernetic monster, a blasphemy of Aesir and giant technology. Loki's reputation was forever soiled.
If it shames the Aesir, then why do I possess it?
It is better that we control it and use it than the enemy. I am cautious with my secrets. This world will be a better place without more of these weapons loose in it.
I thought these weapons were your life's work.
A warrior must know that his true weapons are within his heart. His courage, not the steel in his hands. But this war demands sacrifices from us all, both physical and ethical. I knew what the toll might be when I imprisoned Fenrir. It took my hand before I could properly bind him.
'Tis a fearful replacement. Could you not make a more attractive model?
Aye, I could, but what sort of reminder would that be? We must never forget what we have sacrificed for the good of humanity, Baldur. If ever you are tempted to forego the struggle, remember this. We are mankind's only hope. Oh, beast! You'll have to try harder than that to claim your vengeance upon me. The blade's integrity is fine, and although the spirit inside is as bloodthirsty as ever, it should provide you with a peerless weapon.
If I am careful.
Balder, your actions do us proud. I'm glad to see someone else with some common sense. Heimdall tells me you have some fine spirit, but perhaps a little headstrong, eh? Keep it that way.
IFF transponder says it's an Overlord class, and AZer must be on board.
Serious business. Get the lads together. We're moving out.
Men of Midgard, we are on a vital mission to uphold justice. We will be venturing into the heart of the ice forests, remnants of a glacier that has cut deep into the mountains. Due to intense cloud cover and electrical activity in the area, our readings are unreliable at best, but we are certain that there is significant red-eye activity there. Each of you will find plenty of opportunities to show your mettle to Odin, for he watches over each and every one of you.
Gonna be a rough trip.
Our target is a rogue Aesir operative named Hode.
My lord, he is Aesir. Will we be taking him alive?
He is a traitor, a murderer. Today, a god will die.
Approaching the drop zone, Lord Balder.
We're supposed to hunt down one of the Aesir?
My brothers and I are content as long as there are enemies to kill.
Aren't you happy idiots?
A puny wolf should not speak to a bear that way, lest they wish to be eaten.
The strength of a wolf is in its pack, Esbern. You challenge one, you better be willing to take them all on.
Wolf Squad Alpha, assemble on the snow deck. Shoot at anything and everything that moves.
Neither do I.
How are we gonna take Hode out anyway?
We go where the battle takes us, First Wolf. Make sure courage guides your sword hand, not your fear.
For Lord Boulder! Cannonwell, we're never gonna make it out of here. Not without more men.
This place is massive.
It's cold out here. It'll be colder still, little wolf, when your dark shadow takes your heart out. This is their territory. Well, screw them. We're going in. I ain't going in there. I'm not gonna end up like them. We don't have any choice. The Dark Elves will find us no matter where we are. Survival means fighting. And with Lord Baldur here, we have a good chance of that. Where'd you learn how to shoot like that? Well, don't know. Always should have. Why are you dragging your ass?
I don't feel so good.
Let's go! Mow him down!
Damn the Azir. Sending one wolf pack into this.
Baldur's acting strange. Too hard. Taking too many risks.
We're gonna have to look after our own history.
Will not give in to my fear.
I can't go through that again.
Target and destroy, troopers! Send them all to hell! Affirmative hit. They will sing songs of your bravery, wolves! Let's go! One heap of scrap coming up. We wasted those things! What? Something glinting in the distance, behind that tower. More dark
We can take these things! It's your lucky day, pal. Take him out! Bjorn! Don't leave your shield mates! Man down! Stay behind cover!